fold, food, foot, fool, draw, dray. Fold. Fold means to bend something over itself, usually paper, clothes, or fabric, to make it smaller or neat. She folded the clothes neatly.
Folding chairs, folding chairs.
Don't you have some folding to do? Go fold, dear. Fold. You fold.
Fold the corners. No, fold.
Food. Food refers to anything that can be eaten to provide nutrition for the body. I love eating delicious food.
We got food everywhere as if the party was cake.
Foot. Foot refers to the lower part of the human body that is used for standing, walking, or running. My foot hurts after walking so much.
Left foot, right foot.
One foot. Other foot.
Put something with the skin and chin.
Fool. Fool refers to a person who behaves in a silly or unwise way. Don't be a fool, think before you act.
You fool.
You fools! Ah! Once he puts you on the stand, he's gonna make you look like a fool,
You fool.
Draw. Draw refers to making a picture with a pencil, pen, or other tools, or pulling something toward oneself. I like to draw pictures in my notebook.
Draw! Shape figure 8 like Picasso draw you.
Dray. Dray is a large, heavy cart used for transporting goods, especially. The dray was loaded with barrels of beer.
Good draw. Good dray.
Reason for sending 2 company dray carts to Bedlam Insane Asylum.
Fast. Fast refers to something happening quickly or moving at high speed. He can run very fast.
Go fast, man.
Why not fast? Fast is good. Fast food, fast lane, fast forward. Bye-bye.
Hold fast.
Cast. Cast means to throw something forcefully or to create a shape by pouring material into a mold. She had her arm in a cast after the accident.
Cast out to sea.
I think it's best if you simply cast them away.
I'll save you, cast or no cast.
Ensemble, my top cast and my bottom.
Last. Last refers to something that comes at the bend or is the final in a sequence. This is the last piece of cake.
Last December.
Oppressed at last! Oppressed at last!
Bast. Bast refers to the fibrous material from the inner bark of certain plants, especially used in making ropes or baskets. The villagers used bast to weave baskets.
Glory to Bast, mother. She's still growing.
I call upon the past.
Basted. He's been married.